In the last classes, we have completed system of units. There are three system of units, that MKS, CGS and APS. But why you will read the system of units? It is very important for numerical problems. That I have already made two videos. One video I had sent posted in that group. You must follow. Even I am telling about the important points why you will read. आप जो पढ़ेंगे, पहले बोले थे क्वेश्चन पढ़ेंगे, उसके बाद डाटा कलेक्शन करेंगे, लेकिन यहाँ अभी जो पढ़ने के लिए हम लोग जा रहे हैं वो हुआ कन्वर्सन, प्रेफिक्सेस ऑफ पावर 10 और कन्वर्सन ऑफ सिस्टम ऑफ यूनिट्स, नॉट डायमेंशन कन्वर्सन, ओनली MKS to CGS, CGS to APS, but APS system is British system, you will not read, there is no need to read. You must know about that system is a British system which is formulated by Britishers. But today now we are reading only MKS, CGS. वो कैसे क्या करना है? Some practical units what you are using for measuring the distance. वो smallest distance हो, largest distance हो, हम कौन कौन चीज़ याद करेंगे, कौन कौन चीज़ याद करेंगे? वो क्या क्या हुआ? डेसी, सेंटी, मिली, माइक्रो, नानो, फेम्टो, ऑटो. That if you know it is good, if you don't know, try to understand. Again I am repeating: deci, centi, milli, micro, nano. Anybody? Nano, femto, atto. Okay, just I am telling. क्या है? deci power 10 to the power minus 1, centi 10 to the minus 2, 10 to the minus 3, milli, micro 10 to the minus 6, nano minus, femto, pico, femto, atto, this one in terms of negative terms, but this just opposite is deca, hecto, kilo, mega, giga, tera, peta, exa. But some units you must know. M, if you are writing M, it is millimeter, 1 mm, millimeter, 10 to the minus 3 meter. 1 micrometer, micro जगह में mu, तो 10 to the minus 6 meter. It is very important. Why important? If question will come, if 3 milliampere current flowing through a metallic wire in 3 millisecond, find the amount of charge. And you know I is equal to Q by T, Q is equal to IT, and you will write it is 3 millimeter, it is 3 millisecond. What you are getting? This one is wrong. You cannot multiply directly before converting the units. Millimeter means 10 to the minus 3, milliampere 3 milliampere, 3 into 10 to the minus 3, millisecond 10 to the minus 3. You have to convert the data in third point. You must convert the system of units. All system of units must same. नहीं समझ में आ रहा है? आप जो बचपन में जोड़ रहे थे ना, किलोग्राम ग्राम, किलोग्राम का साथ किलोग्राम, ग्राम का साथ ग्राम, लीटर मिलीलीटर, लीटर का साथ लीटर, मिलीलीटर, तब मिलीलीटर को लीटर कब करते थे? जब 1000 ml से ज़्यादा हो गया तब एक साइड आ रहा था, याद है जोड़ना? तो उस तरह सिस्टम ऑफ यूनिट सेम होना चाहिए. हो गया क्लियर? दिस वन इज very common units we are using. That is, again I am telling, common units what you are using. Most important unit is millimeter 10 to the minus 3, then micrometer 10 to the minus 6, nanometer 1 nanometer 10 to the minus 9 meter, then 1 angstrom is equal to 10 to the minus 8 meter, 1 Fermi, that is 10 to the minus 15 meter. That you must remember. These are the values that helps you while you solve the numerical problems, not only in physics but also in other, suppose it is chemistry, on other subjects there is some numerical problems, it is given in this manner data you have to do. Then come to point, what are the practical units for measuring large distance? What are the practical units? Can I erase? Okay, so practical units for measuring large distances, that is light year. What is light year? Light year is the unit of distance. Don't think that it is the unit of light or unit of time. It is the unit of distance. It is the distance traveled by light in vacuum in 1 year. एक साल में लाइट जितना डिस्टेंस कवर करता है उसका वैल्यू वो कितना है 1 लाइट ईयर। पहले कर देना स्पीड ऑफ लाइट कितना है 3 लाख किलोमीटर पर सेकेंड, तो 3 लाख 3 इंटू 10⁸ मीटर पर सेकेंड। देन इट इज 365, then 24 into 60 into 60, and if you multiply that you will get 9.46 10 to the 12 kilometer, and after calculation you can convert this one is 10 to the 15 meter. This is the value of light year. It is the unit which is used for measuring the large distance, light year. Then another distance, another one is astronomical unit. Astronomical unit, that is abbreviated by AU, astronomical unit. The mean distance between the sun and earth. Suppose यहाँ sun है, यहाँ earth है, इसका सेंटर से इसका सेंटर का mean distance is known as astronomical distance. The mean distance between the center of the earth to center of the sun, that is the this value. That value is how much? 1.496 into 10 to the power 18 kilometer, or nearly about 1.5 10 to the power 11 meter. 10 to the power 11, it is 10 to the power 11 meter. Okay, point out. Another one is parsec. Parsec is the most important and very largest practical unit of distance which are used in our astronomy. So what is parsec? आप जो अभी बोले हैं वो हुआ, सपोज दिस वन इज सन, ये अर्थ, ये हो गया 1 AU. सपोज दिस वन द सेंटर, इट इज 1 सेकेंड, इट इज 1 parsec, that value is 1 parsec. Okay, sun, earth, center, suppose it is A, it is B, it is C. So how can you define that one? It is the distance that subtends some angle, who subtends one astronomical unit makes angle. One double sign means 1 second, 1 second, that is arc, but arc of length is how much? 1 astronomical unit. 1 astronomical unit value is 1.5 10 to the 11 meter, but its value is 1 parsec is equal to, always remember, 1 parsec is equal to 3.26 light year. देखो एक लाइट ईयर जितना पढ़े थे ये 3.26 लाइट ईयर इट्स वैल्यू. हाउ यू आर गेटिंग दैट वन? थीटा इज इक्वल टू L by R, और R is equal to how much you are getting? R is equal to L by theta. R is equal to L by theta. Can I erase this part? Okay, so you just write this one. Length of arc is how much? 1.5 10 to the power 11. Theta 360 degree is equal to 2 pi radian. 2 pi radian. So 1 radian is equal to 360 by 2 pi. So 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So accordingly you will write this one 1 by 3600 into that value is given, you must remember, pi by 1 by 80. After calculation you will get this value how much? 3.08 into 10 to the power 16 meter. These are the value. Again I am writing this one here. How can you find the relation between them? What is the relation between them? What is the relation? 1 light year is equal to 9.46 10 to the 15 meter. 1 astronomical unit 1.5 10 to the power 11 meter. 1 parsec 3.08 इंटू 10⁻16 मीटर। ये तीनों चीज़ आपको याद करना है। तो आप कैसे उसको करेंगे रिलेशन? सपोज इसको डिवाइड करेंगे, ओके, व्हाट विल गेट 1 लाइट ईयर डिवाइडेड बाय 1 AU। देखो उसका वैल्यू कितना, 1 लाइट ईयर डिवाइडेड बाय 9.46 इंटू 10⁻15 डिवाइडेड बाय 1.5 इंटू 10⁻11। इसका मीटर कैंसिल हो गया, तो आपको एक वैल्यू मिलेगा, दैट इज 6.3 इंटू 10⁻4, 6.3 इंटू 10⁻4। सो इफ विल क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई 1 लाइट ईयर इज इक्वल टू 6.3 इंटू 10⁻4 astronomical unit. Similarly, you will get that value if you divide 1 parsec. ये तीनों वैल्यू याद करना है, 1, 2, 3। आप किसी को किसी का साथ डिवाइड करेंगे, एक यूनिट मिलेगा, दैट इज द रिलेशन बिटवीन 3। सपोज आप डिवाइड करेंगे 1 परसेक बाय 1 लाइट ईयर। 1 परसेक इज इक्वल टू कितना, 3.08 इंटू 10⁻16। 1 लाइट ईयर इज इक्वल टू दिस वन। आपको कन्वर्सन करना है, हाउ कैन यू कन्वर्ट? सो व्हाट विल गेट, यू विल गेट द 3.26 लाइट ईयर। देन आई एम राइटिंग, चोरी विद्या सीखो, 1 परसेक सपोज रट लिए 3.26 लाइट ईयर। तो आपको क्या करना, देखो 1 परसेक बाय 1 लाइट ईयर इज इक्वल टू हाउ मच, 3.26। सो इन दिस वे वी हैव टू learn some basic units which is essential for numerical problems. Okay, in next class we have to solve some numericals based on these values and these numericals system of units, and also these values means these are the kg per meter cube, how it is converted to gram per centimeter cube. Okay, kilometer per hour square, how can convert it into meter per second square. Suppose acceleration is given kilometer per hour square, so how to convert into meter per second square. I will repeat it. Okay, thank you.